students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, if x is equals to 4t and y is equals to 4 by t, then find dy by dx. So here we have, so to find this dy by dx, we need y in terms of x, correct? So we can write y in terms of x by eliminating this variable t. So x is equals to 4t, correct? Then t can be written as x by 4. And since y is equals to 4 by t, instead of t I can write x by 4, means implies y is equals to 4 divided by x by 4, means 4 will come in the numerator, correct? So this will be 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, means y, x into y is equals to, means we can write y is equals to 16 divided by x, correct? Now we need dy by dx. So we'll differentiate y with respect to x. So dy by dx, 16 will be as it is, and differentiation of 1 upon x will be minus 1 upon x square, which is equals to minus 16 divided by x square. So dy by dx is minus 16 by x square. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.